So here's another quick video of the barn from the other side. There's the door that we went in. Obviously the roof is the first thing that needs to be done. But you can see the barn is fairly straight. And the foundation, that's what we're looking at. The roof is in really terrible shape. Like I said, will be the first thing to get done if the decision is to go ahead and try to save it and get it so that it's got a good roof on it. Also interested to hear thoughts on metal roof versus shingle. I want to use the barn for rain catchment into a cistern. And I've heard mixed things on about metal roofs. I've heard they can be cheaper and easier. Let's see under here. But I do like the look of the shingles. This side here is the one that has had all the water and debris. So that's the barn.